What's the meaning of brainchild? Brainchild. Brainchild.
Brainchild. Brainchild. The term brainchild refers to an idea, invention or project that is the result of one person's creativity and hard work. It is often used to describe something that is innovative or original in its approach, and that has the potential to be influential or successful. A brainchild can be a product, a business, a book, or even a piece of art. Ultimately, the success of a brainchild depends on factors such as its marketability, its ability to solve a problem or meet a need, and the skill with which it is executed. When a brainchild is successful, it can bring great satisfaction and rewards to its creator.